Okay. Uh, Good morning. Myself Neeraj Kumar, Reader, Electronics and Communication Engineering, UIT. Uh, Today we discuss the subject electronic circuit. Today's topic is multi-stage amplifier. Multi-stage amplifier, we can say the number of stages are here of the amplifier. Multi-stage amplifier, the main factor is that the overall voltage gain we can find through the multi-stage amplifier. Basically, multi-stage amplifier is the overall voltage gain of multi-stage amplifier is product of voltage gain of individual amplifier. We focus the product of voltage gain of individual amplifier. Then, what is the basic need of the multi-stage amplifier? Multi-stage amplifiers we can use for the higher gain. If we have the big signal, so then multi-stage amplifier convert to this in big signal uh, in the can we can say that big signal in convert into the high level signal. High level signal means कि multi-stage amplifier improves the signal, improves the strength of big signal. Then if we can say the uh, we can describe this multi-stage amplifier in this form. Here we can say that multi-stage transistor amplifier is that transistor circuit containing more than one stage of amplification is known as multi-stage multi-stage transistor amplifier. So we can see in this block diagram of three-stage amplifier. Here first stage, first stage and second stage and third stage. Here we can see the three stages. In the two stages, one block is that coupling. In after the second stage and three stage coupling. So in middle of first and second stage are one box is the coupling, which are connected through the amplifier section. Here the block diagram, gain, individual gain apply to each other. B into B out. Gain of stage 1 multiplied by gain of stage 2 multiplied by gain of stage of nth stage. So we can find out the output voltage from this particular uh, output stage. Next is the multi-stage amplifier used in instrumentation application. Basically, it is the application of the multi-stage amplifiers. We can use the multi-stage amplifier in instrumentation amplifier. Here, that the internal circuit of the instrumentation amplifier is that common source and common emitter and emitter follow all are connected in the series. So we can found the output from the this side emitter follower side. Multi-stage amplifier, transistor amplifier, we can say easily a transistor circuit containing more than one stage of amplification and known as the multi-stage transistor amplifier. Or we can say the three-stage amplifier. In a multi-stage amplifier, a number of signals amplifier are connected. What is the difference between cascade and cascade amplifier? Before this starting this topic, we can discuss uh, with you. I can discuss with you. First one is the difference between cascade and cascade amplifier. Cascade amplifier. What is the cascade amplifier? So cascade amplifier are connected from a transistor perspective. A cascade is typically when the amplifier load are connected in a left to right horizontal chain configuration, whereas cascade has the load stacked vertically. Cascade an amplifier of a common emitter input stage that drives a common base output stage. Cascade amplifier. Cascade amplifier. Cascade amplifier is any two-port network constructed from a series of amplifiers where each amplifier sends its output to the input of the next amplifier in a dusty chain. The completion in calculating the gain of cascade stage is the non-ideal coupling between stages due to loading. It is the simple circuit of the cascade amplifier. Here with the we can see that Q1 and Q2 two transistors. There are one load. There are one resistance which is connected to the emitter circuits, and one resistances are connected to the collector terminals. Collector terminal connecting to the BCC supply. So then finally circuit of the cascade amplified, both cascade amplified, both multiplied to each other, and V1 into V2. Then we find the V out value from the this particular side, output side. Then cascode, we can say that cascode amplifier is an amplifying device that has a common emitter stage driving a CV output stage. This is a cascode amplifier circuit diagram. One is the common base circuit, second is the common emitter circuit. Common base circuit in the sense base is to input and output side both. Common emitter input and output side both are common at the common emitter terminal. So then if we mix the common base and common emitter, so we can generate the cascode amplifier. Types of the multi-stage transistor amplifiers. What are the types of the multi-stage transistor amplifiers? RC coupled amplifier, here and then transformer coupled amplifier, direct coupled amplifier. Three stages are coupling circuitry within the two stages, stage 1 and stage 2 and stage 3. This is the coupled parameter or coupled amplifier with two stages. What is the RC coupling? In the RC coupling, a capacitor used as a coupling device. Only capacitor used as a coupling device which connects the one stage to the next another stage. Transformer coupling is also a coupling device between the one stage to another stage. Direct coupling is there is no coupling is required, only output of the first stage connected to the input of the second stage. There here we can see that in direct coupling of the DC coupling, DC coupling, the individual amplifier stage base condition are so designed that two stages may be directly connected without the necessity for the DC isolation. What is the effect of coupling and bypass capacitors? तो coupling capacitors are known as the और DC blocking capacitor. आपको पता है कि कपलिंग कैपेसिटर जो कैपेसिटर जो होता है वो डीसी को ब्लॉक करता है, तो इसलिए हम लोग जो क्या करते हैं कि कैपेसिटर्स को इनपुट साइड पर भी यूज करते हैं जो एम्पलीफायर सेक्शन है, और इन बिटवीन टू एम्पलीफायर सेक्शंस वी कैन यूज द कैपेसिटर एज ए coupling. Then here we can see that the coupling capacitors are used to decouple AC and DC signals so that as not to disturb the quiescent point Q point of the circuit when AC signals are injected at the input. Bypass capacitors are used to force signal currents around element by providing a low impedance path at the frequency. Bypass capacitors usually applied with DC ground pins of IC, often IC of the integrated circuits. Bypass capacitor is the effect of when we can see the noise in the system, noise in the amplifier, there is bypass capacitor, that particular humming noise and noise on the system. So bypass capacitor is not and it's not power. Here we can coupling and bypass capacitor. This is the circuit diagram. Here is the circuit 1 and circuit connected to the through the capacitor. Okay, coupling AC signal passes through this then and DC signal blocks between circuit 1 and circuit 2. Capacitor property is the block the DC. So we can see here a DC signal blocking this particular side. So these are the effects. These are the coupling and bypass capacitors use of used in multi-stage amplifier. So we can stop the DC signals in between of circuit 1 and circuit 2. Okay, I think today's topic is sufficient. We can discuss next point, next topic, RC coupled circuit, RC coupled amplifier in next lecture. Okay.